Hey, we're back. This is Firefighter Cafarata. We're back in the kitchen, and we are going to do a lamb stew in the new Instapot that I got for Christmas. So we already did one dish, the Instapot. People are requesting more dishes and more nice recipes. So this is grass-fed lamb, and it is, let's see, what is it? No antibiotics, and it looks amazing. So it's the lamb loin chops. So anyway. So we're going to do this. I'm going to do salt and pepper, lightly seasoned it, okay? I'm going to season it just in a minute. We're going to use one onion right here, right? One yellow onion, diced up. One stalk of celery. Washed, diced, put in there. 3 carrots. 3 carrots, like the sweetener. So it's going to kind of cut the acid because we're going to put whole tomatoes right there. Whole tomatoes in there. Right? So it's going to be like a tomato sauce base and also tomato paste. Now, we're also going to put in a little bit of red wine. You can do a nice red wine. Don't use a cheap red wine. Don't just pour in something that tastes like poop. Put in something that's good, that you would drink. So red wine, right? And then the olive oil. So olive oil and one of my favorite ingredients I always use is garlic. I know this isn't a bag. This is an easier, faster way for me to do it. Otherwise, I have to like chop, break it up. It's a bulb. So anyway, this amount of olive oil, use, I don't know, half a cup. That's kind of what's left. So not very much. So I'm just going to kind of pour it in. I kind of want to I'm just going to chop the garlic this time. The blender gets all messy and dirty. So I like to make it easy, fast, and delicious. So right now this is heating up right here. And we're going to go ahead and start in. And you're going to watch me do all the labor-intensive love. So stay tuned. I also forgot some butter. So yes, butter. I'm going to put butter in there. It kind of makes the lamb kind of like just sear and taste delicious. Anyway, butter, 1 stick. Forgot to say also a bag of mushrooms will be amazing. So 1 bag of mushrooms. Okay, it's been 35 minutes, and we're going to test this baby out. I popped the top. It was really easy. You want to just depress it so it kind of the steam comes out. And here's my ladle. let me show you this bad boy. So I'm going to put it right inside of here. Now what I want to do is make sure you get a lot of the sauce too, because that's what's going to give it a lot of flavor. There's a lot of vegetables in there. Mix it around, you know. So, let's see which. So here it is. This is lamb, like a lamb stew. It's so tender, it literally falls right off, almost with a fork. So let me get it right here. I'm going to cut it a little bit to taste it. Give it my handy knife. Ooh, perfect, tender. Let me come over there. Okay, piece of lamb, right? Make this at home. It's great, delicious. This is the instant pot. I like Insta, but like Instagram. So, very good. Good flavor. And on a cold day, perfect. Has the protein, the fat, low carbs, and nutritious, delicious. And try it at home. Thanks for joining. This is Marcel, Firefighter Caparata. It's the Instapot. This is my Christmas gift for my wife to me, basically back to her because I'm going to cook. That's it. Next time.